10 lines. 10 lines on my playground. First line. My school has a playground. Second line. It is big and open. Third line. Children play there daily. Fourth line. We play cricket and football. Fifth line. There are swings for kids. Sixth line. The ground is clean. Seventh line. There are trees and grass. Eighth line. We run and jump there. Ninth line. It keeps us healthy. 10th line. I like the playground. If you like the essay, like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Writing Planet. Don't forget to share the video.